Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, and if you're not new, thank you guys so much for coming back. I really appreciate your support. So today we are going to be doing a big old Sephora haul because I got the big box. I posted a picture of this on my Instagram stories. If you're not following me on Instagram, it's always linked down below. Check it out. But yeah, I posted a picture on my stories and I got a lot of people asking me to do a haul. So here it is. I'm filming this, like, literally I just got these things. So a lot of the things I haven't tried out, but I thought I would show you guys while the sale is still going on. So if you don't know, Sephora's VIB sale is going on right now. I think you get 20% off, either 20% or 15%. So yeah, I wanted to do this quickly while it's still going on, and I also wanted to let you guys know there will be two parts of this. Right now is going to be makeup and skincare, and the second part will be the perfumes, because I did get a couple perfumes, but I have a couple that I got from a different place, like other places too, so I figured I would do like a perfume haul separately. That will be coming very shortly. But yes, let's just get into these goodies. I'm already sweating and I'm just starting, so that's great. I will also say I pretty much only shop during the sale these days. Like, I've been really good the last couple years, other than like if I ran out of something that I use all the time, then I'll repurchase it. But for the most part, I save my money, and I always end gift cards because I get gift cards for birthdays, Christmas, that kind of stuff, and I save it and only shop during the sale. So yes, there's a lot, but it's like what I use. This will last me for the whole year pretty much. So the first thing I got is a set, and this is the Glow Recipe Fruit Babies Bestsellers Kit. And this is like a skincare kit. It comes with the cleanser, a toner, a lotion, and then a retinol eye cream. I've really wanted to try Glow Recipe, and I've never tried anything from the brand, so this was a really good way to try it. I'm pretty sure it was, I'm not gonna say prices actually, because to be honest, I don't know. But yeah, it's obviously like a value set, so you save money, you get to try a whole bunch of products, plus you save 20%. So it was a win, and it was a great way for me to try the brand in general, because I literally have not tried anything from Glow Recipe, but I have been really intrigued by their watermelon line, because I love the smell of watermelon. So there's that. And next up, I guess let's talk about what's on my lips. This is a Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick. As I told you guys in my last video, I don't know what it is, but I'm into color lately, and I think it's just because things are like a little bit of a funk with all the lockdowns and all that. So color makes me happy, which is what made me buy this liquid lipstick. It's called It's Happening, and it's these ones. I have a lot of these. I like these, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the biggest fan of liquid lipsticks anymore, only because they are matte, so they are drying. So like, I'm wearing it matte right now for the video, but like in real life, I would usually, like after an hour or so, I would throw a gloss on top just to make it a little bit more comfortable. When you put a gloss on top, obviously you jeopardize like the longevity. It's not going to last as long, but it's going to feel better, and for me it's about feeling better, you know. So I would wear it matte for a few hours probably, but then like when it started to get like a little bit unbearable and uncomfortable, then I would throw a gloss on top. Some people don't mind the matte formula. Like, there's pros and cons, you know. I like the formula because it doesn't sink into your like lines on your lips, and it doesn't get on a mask or nothing like that. Like, you don't have to worry, it doesn't budge. I just feel like I'm at a point in my life where I like a glossy, kind of juicy lip. That's just what it is. But for like a bright color like this, I feel like matte is the safer way to go, because it's not going to get all over your face, especially when you're putting on a mask and that. But obviously it's what I'm wearing. It's like a bright, like fuchsia pink. I wouldn't say it's neon, but it's definitely bright and beautiful. And I like that it's matte for this color, because like I said, like I don't want to have to worry about this bright color getting all over my face. Next up, we have a repurchase. This is Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I'm pretty sure I've talked about this in a video before. I'm not running out of this, but I heard Becca's going out of business, so like you can only get the stuff while it's in stock, and once it's gone, it's gone. So I actually love this. I could wear it on its own or under like foundation or whatever, but I don't. Fun fact, a lot of you guys always ask me what foundation I'm wearing. I hardly wear foundation anymore unless I'm going to like an all-day event where I need it to last me, but for the most part, I just spot conceal, and that's pretty much it. I don't put foundation all over my face, but on the occasion, like that's like on a regular day, I don't. But on the occasion that I do, I could wear this under foundation or just by itself. It's basically just like a glowy moisturizer. I wouldn't say it's a primer because it doesn't fill in like pores or nothing like that, but it basically gives you like a nice luminosity to your skin, which I love. And I got the mini size because I actually like the packaging of this better. I know it's not like a better bang for your buck, but I like the packaging of the squeezy tube, but because the full size is in like a glass jar, and honestly it's really hard to get every bit of the product out, where I feel like the squeezy tube makes it easier to like literally get every drop out, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I just wanted one of those just in case. I might even get another one because that's one thing that I really don't want to be without. It's a bougie item though. Like, I feel like you don't need it. You could definitely probably mix some kind of like, I don't know. You could mix something in with lotion. Highlighter in with lotion maybe? I don't know. But I like it. And then I got this. This is called Retinol Reform by Shani Darden. It has like the Allure stamp there, which means it's a fan favorite. It's an award winner. I have never tried it, but I'm always willing to try a new retinol. Like I said, if you guys have watched my videos in the past, like with skincare, I'm almost always willing to try new things. There are certain products that I can't live without, obviously. I have one of those that I'll talk about next, but retinol is something that like I haven't, like I'm pretty new to it. I guess that plays a part, but I haven't found one that I love yet, so I was willing to try this one. It is expensive, but it is what it is. So is Botox and stuff, I guess. And I don't do that, so not yet anyway. And if you do, you do. Oh my god, why do I say that? Oh, I'm not against it is what I'm saying. I just don't got the money to do that right now. Okay, and then I got this. This is by Ulla Henriksen, and this is the Wrinkle Blur Eye Gel Cream. This was honestly like, I don't even know what made me buy this, but I kind of wanted, I have like a thicker cream for nighttime, like an eye cream, but I wanted one for during the day that's a little bit lighter, and I feel like I could never go wrong with Ulla Henriksen. I don't know why, I just really like that brand, so I wanted to try this eye cream. Like I said, this is me telling you what I got, but to say I've tried all of these things, I have not. A lot of them are very new to me, so, but I wanted you guys to see because the sale is going on right now. And I said I would talk about one of the skincare items that I can't live without, and it's this. It's also by Ulla Henriksen, and it is the Glow 2O Dark Spot Toner. I got the mini one just because I already have a little bit left in my big bottle, plus the Glow Recipe one comes with a toner in it too, so I didn't want to get the huge one because it does last a while, but this really helps with dark spots if you pick at your face, which you shouldn't, but I do. If you pick at your face, this really helps get rid of, like, obviously dark spots, but it also helps get rid of acne, texture, like little pores. It's really good. I really like it, especially for like acne spots, because I pick at my face. This helps a lot, and it helps with texture. Like sometimes I'll just get like clogged pores. That's what I meant to say, not little pores. I can't think. It's very late at night right now. But anyways, yeah. It helps get rid of like clogged pores, texture. It's really good. I've tried the Pixie one. It didn't work as well for me. This one like is a toner that literally I see results when I use it. That's why I will continue to repurchase it. And then I picked up this. This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. Like, that is a complicated name. Advanced Night Repair. It looks like this. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this everywhere. I remember seeing this everywhere, and it's been around for a long time. It's another fan favorite. It has so many good reviews, so I decided to try it. I think it's like a serum for nighttime. I believe so. It doesn't say serum, but the texture of it looks like a serum, so it's for nighttime to repair your face because it's called Advanced Night Repair. So I wanted to try that out. I'm getting older, so I feel like I really want to take care of my skin because you only get one set of skin, and no matter how bougie your makeup is, if your skin is bad, makeup's gonna look bad. So I feel like I'm at a point where like I said, I don't wear foundation all over my face. Makeup isn't as important to me as skincare is. So, and skincare is expensive, so that's why I stock up during the sale. And I hate to be like bougie. I used to get a lot of skincare at the drugstore, but I feel like now my skin is spoiled and I hate that, but it is what it is. I decided to pick up this. This is the Artist Couture Ethereal Bloom palette. The packaging is so cute. Look at this. I love these colors. Like, how pretty does that look? It looks like so springy. And I haven't bought an eyeshadow palette in forever. Like, forever. But something about, like, look at this packaging. And I told you guys, I've been, like, gravitating towards color, which, who am I? That's not me. But when I saw this, I just really wanted it. Look at these colors. Now, is this a practical palette? No. Is this something I'm going to use every day? No. However, because it's powder, they do last you longer before they expire. Like, they take forever to expire. And I really like these colors for spring and summer. So I figured, why not get it on sale? And I've been gravitating towards color right now, so I thought that was really pretty. And I haven't bought an eyeshadow palette in literally forever. Only 2 more items. If you don't know, SPF is very important. I've been using a different one from Kiehl's for a long time, but I decided to try this one. This is by Supergoop, and it is called Glow Screen. They have another one that's called Unseen Sunscreen, but when I was reading reviews, it said it has like a silicone-y texture, like the Smashbox primer that feels like silicone. And to be honest, I don't really like that texture. It just doesn't do anything for my skin. And like I said, this is called Glow Screen, so I'm kind of hoping it does the same kind of thing as the Becca Backlight priming filter. Just gives you a little bit of like a luminosity to your skin, because the texture of the Becca feels like a lotion too, but it just has a little bit of a glow to it, which makes your skin just look like radiant, you know? If you have super oily skin, you might not like that. I should have said that in the beginning. I would say like normal to dry. And I don't want to say normal because like what is normal? I would say my skin leans more to the dry side, and I have to do a lot for it to look like glowy and moisturized and supple. So yeah, I guess I have like drier skin. Not to the point where it's like flaky, but still I would consider it dry or dehydrated. Anyways, I'm rambly and I feel like I can't get my words out today, so I'm sorry about that. This is why I don't like to film at night. Anyways, this is the Glow Screen. It's SPF 40, and I wear sunscreen every day. You should too. But I thought I would try this one because I'm hoping it gives my skin a little bit of a glow like the Becca. And I need that because, like I said, my skin is a little bit dry. So I really like that. I don't know how I will like it for the summertime, but we'll have to see. And it's SPF 40, which is better than my Kiehl's one because that one I think is only SPF 30. So, and then last but not least, I picked up this Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. I picked up the mini one because I have a couple other setting sprays on the go right now, and I didn't know if I was gonna love it, you know. So this is what it looks like. I've heard really good things. A couple people I watch on YouTube talked about this, and they said it gives you like a glow, like it really does make you look airbrushed, but it also gives you like a luminous finish. But sometimes setting sprays that give you a luminous finish don't help like make your makeup last longer, but I heard that this one does, so it gives you best of both worlds. That's why I really wanted to try it, so I decided to try the mini one. Plus I feel like it takes me a long time to go through setting spray because, like I said, like I'm not one of those people that like sprays so much of it. So yeah, and I do have another one on the go. And that is it. I feel like that doesn't seem like a lot. Am I right? I mean, I do have a couple perfumes that I put aside for the haul, but that doesn't seem like a lot, but it came up to a lot, so there's that. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.